Running a restaurant means keeping customers happy and service smooth. The restaurant app helps you do it all, from floor plans to reservations, orders, and payments, right on a tablet. Let's see it in action.
With just a few taps, you can now design your floor plan by moving tables, resizing them, changing seat counts, or even adding walls, plants, barriers, and labels to match your style. Simply add another floor, give it a name and color, and you're ready. Best of all, because it's on the tablet, staff can carry it anywhere and take orders right at the table.
From there, head into Reservations to see all bookings at a glance. You can quickly change table status, whether guests are on starters, main course, or finished, and even set table pacing limits, the number of guests, and move and merge tables. But what if all the tables are full? That's where the waitlist comes in. Just tap Add, select the number of guests, and check if a table is available to seat them immediately. If not, pick a time to add them to the waitlist, enter their details, and you're set. Once a table is available, send the customer an SMS, or if there are tables available, seat them right away. For a broader view, switch to the timeline. Here you can see all bookings across breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and easily switch between them. The grid is divided into 15-minute intervals, so you can quickly spot availability. Just click on a slot to match the right table and time to each customer's request. And finally, the dashboard pulls it all together, showing today's bookings, totals, peak hours, capacity, and trends, all filterable by date. Placing an order is simple. Choose a table, enter guest details, and select the number of guests. The app will automatically create seats for each guest. Now, you can add items per seat, so every customer's choice is tracked individually. When you're done, click Send. The table now shows as occupied, with a timer running. As customers progress through their meal, you can update the status: starter, main course, dessert, and the table color updates accordingly. When it's time to settle the bill, click Order Now. The table opens up, showing the items and total order value. Click on Pay, and the app gives you 3 ways to split payments. Split by amount, divide the total evenly, or customize each share. Payments can be made by cash, card, QR code, or pay by link. Split by item, assign specific dishes to different customers. Split by seat, automatically split based on what was ordered per seat. You can also edit items and reassign them if needed. Once payment is complete, the table automatically changes to cleaning needed. After cleaning, mark it as available or finished with one tap. With the restaurant app, everything, from floor plans to reservations, is streamlined and simple, all from the palm of your hand.